One of the problems that Jamaican rivers face is that a lot of persons actually use it for domestic purpose. They use it on wash, they use it on for farming, they use it for other commercial activities, and waste and soap water and other impurities are released in the water, resulting in several sections of the water rendered unusable by the organism that exists within it. They eventually will die. So when we talk about freshwater fish, right? And a lot of persons may say, and I'm going to be doing a video on that, a lot of persons may say that why take the fish from the wild? Wow, there's a fish. You see how it's big? Wow, wow, fish is so big. I don't know if you saw that one. I don't know if you saw that one. Fish is so huge. Right, I'm looking to see if I see another one. Right, fish will more likely be here because the water is deep. Oh, and you have a lot of, it's another fish there. And you have a lot of food in which the fish can actually consume. Right, so the big fish consume the smaller fish, and the big fish are not provoked by the human element in nature. Wow, so beautiful. We have several fine fish. I'm seeing the fish, but I don't know if you are seeing them, but they are big. Alright, so a lot of the fish that exist within the river, they would have their babies in, and the babies would actually stay within this section of the river, and when they feel as if they are big enough to go out in the deep, they are out there. And that's one of the reasons why I try to mimic the actual natural environment when it comes down to fish keeping. That is the reason why I use plants. Right now and then you see one fish head just pop up out of the algae, right? Out of the plants, right? This is one of the reasons why I try to mimic the actual environment in which the fish actually lived in, right? Although most of the fish that exist within the aquarium hobby are captively bred, but the more they are relaxed, the longer they live, the more healthy they are, and the more, you know, enjoyable they are to look at. Right, so the babies will stay here. It's like a natural nursery, and as the babies actually become mature, they are actually venturing out into the deep, into the water. Alright, so you wait there, right into the water break before it actually go over into the next section of the river. Like I said before, this section has several fish in it. I don't know if you can actually see the fish. I'm seeing them. They have like what? I know, man, no fish in it. A resident from around the area. I don't know if you can see them. There's one fish. There's a fish. It's going. But they are looking like the brambles and the tree leaves in the water. That when you're looking at them and they stand up still, you can't really identify them. But they are so beautiful. Nature have a way to say hello to humans. Several fish are looking at me, but they are so still that you won't believe that they are fish. They look like some striped stick in the water. And as soon as you come near them, they actually move off. Right? And some persons actually do fishing here, freshwater fishing, not to put in the aquarium, but to put in the frying pot. Here's another fish. That fish. Right here. Oh, it's gone.